I'm gonna see if I can teach you how to do double back pegger too. I haven't done these today yet, so we'll see how this goes. Oh yeah. So double back pegger, you just put your feet on the pegs, keep them centered. These have gotten pretty smooth for me. And it's the same like scenario with the knee knocker, where you want to keep your body as straight as possible. So when you clutch up into it, let the bike come into you. That's the way. You don't want to like rotate back with it. You want to like clutch up, stand straight, and let the bike come into your body. And the straighter you are, the better it is. Basically, so recap double back pegger. Be rolling, stand up, get your feet on the pegs. Clutch, cover your handbrake. Boom. Pegs. Stand up straight as soon as possible. There we go. We gotta smoothen it out. And like the closer you bring the bike to your body, the better it feels.
Hottest stash in the carpet. Yeah, we trapping out apartments. I ain't done when you start shit. To be honest, lit the flame in my heart, gotta spark it. I didn't know that love